Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to contact Chaganti Koteswara Rao. Call the office phone number and prepare your questions. Start with a brief introduction stating your name and purpose, then ask 1 or 2 clear questions. If emailing, write a short subject line and attach any relevant documents. Keep tone polite and concise, and note the date and time of contact for follow-up. When calling, have your questions written and documents accessible so you sound organized and respectful. Begin with your name and a 1-sentence purpose to help the receptionist route you properly. If you reach voicemail, leave a concise message with your contact details and best callback times. Always ask for the name of the person you spoke with and repeat any dates or promises they give for follow-up. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent that keeps your car inviting during visits and meetings. It's a small upgrade that makes travel to appointments more pleasant, and you can find the link and deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Email is best when you need a paper record or want attachments included, so keep messages short and focused. Start with a greeting, 1 line explaining the reason, and bullet points for any dates or documents. Attach files as PDFs and name them clearly to avoid confusion. End with a polite request for confirmation and your available times, and follow up in about 1 week if you do not receive a reply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.